You have watched 12 videos to arrive at this one. 3 headphones. That is all. 3 headphones cover every serious listener's needs going into 2027. One for pure audiophile sound at home, one for daily wireless life, and one that changes what wireless headphones can be. Every pick is backed by 2026 reviewer consensus and the trust patterns identified across the entire batch. Corporate acquisitions systematically consolidated the audio market, creating an illusion of choice while genuine hardware variety thinned out. Throughout this shift, a clear pattern solidified. Manufacturers built on decades of consistent quality and supply chain honesty remain the only names worth trusting, while massive marketing budgets swelled to mask mediocre designs. Only a small number of headphones rose to the top of 2026 reviewer consensus. Stripping away corporate hype and focusing strictly on category leadership leaves only the absolute survivors. These selections represent a defensible, long-term standard of listening, engineered to endure well past 2027. The first survivor on this final list is the wired home anchor, the Sennheiser HD 660S2. This model represents what happens when an engineering team refuses to chase passing trends for 80 years. While Sonova divests the consumer division, the audiophile legacy remains firmly anchored to its professional roots. The HD 600 series has stayed in continuous production since 1997, solidifying itself as the absolute reference standard. Positioned at $499, the 660S2 honors this lineage through a reference-neutral tuning designed to outlast any marketing cycle. Built with user-replaceable pads, cables, and headbands, this is a physical commitment to the philosophy of buying once and keeping forever. It delivers effortless 4-hour comfort, remains surprisingly easy to drive from modern sources, and commands a place in reference-tier buying guides alongside multi-thousand-dollar legends like the HD 820 and Focal Utopia. In 10 years, when current wireless trends are forgotten, this benchmark will still matter. When your listening shifts from the quiet of a home desk to the chaos of a daily commute, the requirement changes from analytical isolation to mobile dominance. This is where the Sony WH-1000 XM-M6 claims its place. Priced at $459, it stands as the undisputed wireless daily driver benchmark of 2026. First crowned the wireless leader in Video 33, its position is now locked in by a massive industry consensus. In April 2026, CNN declared them the best over-ear headphones you can buy, period, while the What Hi-Fi Awards named it the wireless product of the year. The hardware package completely justifies the praise. A QN3 processor driving adaptive noise cancellation, LDAC, high-resolution support, multi-point pairing, and adaptive sound learning, all housed in a foldable 254-gram build. When reviewers across every major publication converge on a single winner, that convergence is itself the recommendation. Choosing anything else in this premium tier requires a highly specific reason, like a preference for luxury metals, alternative travel ergonomics, or strict brand loyalty. For everyone else, This is the default correct answer. Sony held that wireless crown uncontested for an entire year. But in October 2025, a new contender arrived, challenging that dominance in a way no ordinary competitor could. This was not simply another mass market momentum, nor was it a generic plastic consumer release designed to chase a brief sales cycle. It was the first wireless entry into Sennheiser's legendary Audiophile 600 series. This was a deliberate, permanent category move rather than a mere copy of the past, designed to fundamentally alter how we define reference sound on the move. In October 2025, Sennheiser released the HDB 630. Priced at $499, this design represents the first wireless entry in the legendary Audiophile 600 series. It is the exact point where a decades-long wired heritage crossed into the wireless future without losing its identity. By late 2025, Tom's Guide concluded that the HDB 630 and the Sony XM6 stood as the two best active noise-canceling headphones under $500, but they won for entirely different reasons. Sony maintains its grip on smart features, raw isolation, and daily driver polish. But Sennheiser claims sound quality, audiophile lineage, and the wireless bridge serious listeners were waiting for. Inside a 42mm dynamic transducer, engineered and manufactured in Tullamore, Ireland, delivers a neutral reference class signature with the stunning detail. To bypass lossy Bluetooth compression, Sennheiser includes a dedicated USB-C dongle enabling 24-bit 96 kHz aptX adaptive streaming. The HDB 630 claims the top spot. While it does not beat the XM6 on every convenient travel metric, it opens a category that did not previously exist. This is genuine, uncompromised audiophile wireless. Uncovering hidden budget gold mines led to exposing the corporate acquisitions that swallowed historic brands, and ultimately the realization that competing labels share the exact same assembly lines. This progression exposed an industry dominated by marketing noise, brand hype, and corporate consolidation. Stripping away this manufactured illusion of choice leaves only a definitive standard. Trust the physical heritage that earned its reputation over decades, and choose the hardware built to remain respected in 10 years. The Sennheiser HD 660S2 for pure sound, the Sony WH-1000 for daily wireless life, and the Sennheiser HDB 630 bridging both are all that survive. These three are what remain. The rest is optional. 12 videos, 3 headphones, 1 truth. The future of audio was already decided. We just had to notice. Which is your forever pair? Subscribe for our 2028 predictions next.